So she goes down on one knee and she asks him, "Will you marry me?" And the big question this Christmas is, did he say yes? It's back after 5 years' absence. We're ready to ask again, what's occurring? And maybe, just maybe, we might find the answer to that question. What really happened on that fishing trip? Gavin and Stacey must rank as one of the all-time greats. Who'd have thought that a phone call from Bedmore Electronics in 2007 could keep us captivated for nearly 2 decades? It's got everything: England, Wales, Barry and Billericay, love and loss, breakup and makeup. It's got reality stamped all the way through it. And this Christmas, I'm thinking of another kind of proposal. Not marriage, but something much, much bigger. Will you carry the Son of God in your body? Will you let God step into this world as never before and be his mother to the end? Mary's yes to God is what we celebrate at Christmas. And it's this that flings light and life far across this world, which brings an end to hatred, which makes a new life with God possible. At the end, after we've sat down and we finished our Christmas lunch, barely able to move, we might find out the answer to that question. Did he say yes? Of course, we might never know. But one yes echoes down the ages still and makes possible new life with God. His name is Jesus, the Son of God. Happy Christmas, Barry. Happy Christmas, Wales. And to all of you watching.